Hello and welcome back on my channel Sheet Metal Workshop, and in this video I like to show two Schwartmans machines. It's the SMA56, the big one that works on 400 volt on big power. So I have here the foot and I've got both hands free, and I have here a smaller machine, the SMW50. Now the SMW50 is a good machine. You can travel it with you, you can bring it on the side wherever you want it, and you can put it on every scuffle or pipe, so it's movable, and also you can use it as a second machine in a workshop like I did. So this is actually more about telling experience about working with two machines in a workshop. Now if you have problems or you don't know which machine you want to buy, well, maybe this video will help. Now this is a strong machine where you can different metals like stainless steel 1mm or steel up to 1.2 millimeters, so it all depends. You have both hands free, so you can do big stuff because you have both hands to carry the metal. Now with the small machine you have only one hand, so for example I have here this big metal and I have two hands, so now I want to go through the machine here. See, it's easy to do. Now here I can hold it here with one hand and spin it, and now I can put here in a side switch and it's no problem. So it all depends on how big the metal is and yeah, how much you can carry. Okay, well that was it. And now the next thing also what is good, if you're swaging pipe, so this is also 1 meter pipe, and with swaging a pipe it doesn't matter how big the diameter is, because you can always here first clamp it here in the swage. So I'm gonna fasten it, and then you have here one hand to hold. Here it's already standing, and now I can here spin it and put in a swage, as you can see. Okay, well that was it about swaging. Now the thing is also here with those small machines is about the power, and the real power comes when it comes to stretching metal. Now here I have here aluminium 0.88 thickness, and now I have here, for example, both hands free, and I want to make a flange here. And that's the flange I have. So what I mentioned before, it's a good combination if you have one machine and the other one I want to put in a swage. For example, here again I'm gonna put in a swage, so you see how quick it goes. I don't have to change wheels. Now when it comes up to strongness, I have here also have zinc. So this is zinc, it's should be 0.8 millimeter thickness. Oh, okay, almost there. 0.8. Okay, now I'm gonna change now the wheels, so I'm gonna use here these flat wheels. So I'm gonna change them, put them on and demonstrate. Okay, now I have changed the wheels. Now by aluminium here I stretch double material because it's aluminium. You can do it with aluminium, but now here with zinc I have here cut out, so leave only a little bit from the corner here, so I won't stretch too much double materials. Okay, well this is time consuming, so it will take time to do. So first we go one round, just light, just to get a little bit the road. And now here you see it, when I come to the seam it stucks a little bit. Now every time we go a little bit stronger and slowly push it down. Sometimes it's like good fitness. Okay, well, that's it. So you can see it's a good circle. It happens. So 0.8 millimeter zinc is no problem. It's just time consuming and you need a lot of power in your arms. Okay, well, that is what I wanted to explain. Now, before I forget another detail, I have here another holder that also comes with the SMW50. That means I can put it here on the table, here under, where I can release this machine. So I can release the machine here really quick, just to show once again. So you can see here, really quick release. Now I have here 2 screws, what I can here put on. So the best way to do it is put the machine here on the table. So here, those 2 screws, I need an imbus key for that, and I'm just gonna release it. Okay, now the screws are now fastened. So what I can do is here, you can put it here. You have here also another 2 holes, so you can drill in the table and put some screws and fasten it. But you can also use a screw clamp or a clamp like this here. And now I'm just going here. And you see, I can work here also with the machine if it is for longer use in the workshop. So I can now move this here. And I have now here more free room. Well, that was it. So like I've mentioned, if it helps you to decide which machine you want to buy or not. So more information will be in the video description about swap mounts. There are links directly going to the product of the SMW50 or the SMA56. Now both products are really good. I like working with in combination. The good thing is you can carry this one everywhere we want, and it's also good as a second machine. Now, and if you want, you can leave a comment down below about what you think. Okay, well, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.